back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shrishti, and on this channel I post videos regarding fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested in this kind of stuff, then please mind subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell. For further updates. And moving back to this video, in this video I'm going to transform a basic black t-shirt like this one. This is an oversized t-shirt. So I'm going to transform this t-shirt into this, and so let's get started. So the first thing you need is some snacks. Yes, you heard it right. You need some snacks because there are high chances that you are not going to end up with the final product like the one I show you. So
okay, here I'm not doubting your skills. I just say so because I'm not sure if I am able to give the proper instructions. So in case if the instructions are vague, just enjoy figuring yourself out.
you need snacks to enjoy the process at least, and you have to enjoy the process. Like पहली बार में हार मान जाओगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? And the second thing you need is sewing machine, obviously, to sew. And if you don't have sewing machine, you can use fabric glue to paste. Like सिलने से easy है paste करना, but I don't prefer fabric glue because बहुत ज़्यादा tight हो जाता है and wash करते time भी फिर दिक्कत आती है. So I prefer sewing over pasting. And the third thing you need is pair of scissors. Obviously not this one like the doctor one. मेरे पास ये है, अभी काम चला रही हूँ मैं इससे क्योंकि मैं अपनी फैब्रिक scissors गुड़गांव भूल गई, silly me.
First, you need to lay your t-shirt inside out, and then you need a chalk, a measuring tape, a roll of pearl pins, a pair of scissors, and your good old top. Then we lay out the top over the t-shirt to figure out the length of the t-shirt we want and marked accordingly. After marking the length, add 1 inch extra to it for the hemming. Then with the help of the pearl pin, we pin both sides of the t-shirt so that it will be easy to cut. Now cut the bottom half of the t-shirt along the line. And let me tell you, मेरे को ये लोहे वाली scissors बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I just can't cut with the लोहे वाली scissors. मेरे बहुत हाथों में दर्द हो जाता है.
After cutting the t-shirt, it's time to dance cause you can't go back. So let's just dance with the t-shirt.
After dancing and wasting your time, it's time to conceal the raw edge. And for that, fold the bottom of the t-shirt approx 1 centimeter and stitch over it. Like आराम से stitch करना, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, बिल्कुल होले होले. And tada, you did a great job. Now take the leftover piece जो हमने t-shirt में से cut किया था and cut 1 inch strap from it. Now take the side seam of the t-shirt. Side seam बोले तो जो sleeves के नीचे वाली seam होती है उसको बोलते हैं side seam, like the arm hole के नीचे जो तुम्हारी sleeve side में seam जाती है उसको. And then take the straps we just cut. It will be in a tube form, so cut it along the side to make it a long strap. And then we will sew the strap along the side seam to make a tunnel, or you can simply paste it. Now I am using pearl pin to secure the strap over the t-shirt so that it will be easy for me to sew along. You have to sew on the marked area, like बस chalk वाली lines पे ही stitch करना है, and we don't stitch ऊपर से और नीचे से so that it will make a tunnel. Like तुम्हें ending और closing खुली रखनी है so that we can pass the strings from it. Then cut off the excess strap. बस side seam जितनी लंबी रखनी है, just below the armhole. When you are sewing, make sure तुम बीच में गैप रखो ताकि उसमें से string pass हो जाए. After sewing, it will look something like this, and now we have to repeat the process on the remaining 3 sides, and it will look something like this, like after sewing all the sides. Again, take the leftover part of the t-shirt and this time cut the 2 centimeter straps from it like this one, and then stretch the straps to make it a string like this one. Now take the safety pin, attach it with the string. और मैं स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा सेफ्टी पिन को बंद करने के लिए. And pass the strings from the tunnel we just created, like जैसे हम नाड़ा डालते हैं किसी भी चीज़ में, like सलवार में और किसी भी चीज़ में, simply like that. हमें स्ट्रिंग को पास करना है उस टनल में से. And here's the point of attention. After passing the strap from bottom to up, pass it back from the adjacent tunnel from upside down. जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ अभी. Like तुमने एक बार डाल दिया एक साइड टनल में से, now तुम्हें उसी को U शेप में वापस U टर्न जैसे हम लेते हैं, U टर्न लेके तुम्हें वापस से उसको दूसरी साइड वाली टनल में से पास करना है. And now your top will look something like this. तुम्हारे दोनों एंड नीचे की साइड होने चाहिए. And then repeat the process on the another side and your top will be ready.
Okay, so that's it for the today's video, and I hope you like it. This is very easy peasy DIY transformation of your top. You can do it in just one day. All you need is a t-shirt to cut, as you know, and yeah, this is how it turns out. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, घर पे रहो, मजे करो, ऐश करो, खाओ पियो, घर से बाहर ना निकलो, and bye.